Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the last step of my portrait drawings in charcoal. This is mainly the finessing, adding the darkest dark, as you can see, in the eyes and the eyebrows, and I'm mainly working with vine charcoal, and here as you can see with the Conte Paris charcoal pencil. I think it's a 2B. Then I use this other tool to make little adjustment and little planes, such as this one on top of the eye, and vine charcoal, a little brush to soften the edges, and on top of it I create highlights with the kneaded eraser like a tool. So I make a little fine point and take off some tone until I get exactly the tone I want. On top of it also I use my fingers to smudge and create those softest edges. So right now finessing means adding the half tones and also adding some little details such as wrinkles and texture, especially the grittiness that this face has on top of the last layer on top of everything, and then work on it inside my shadows. So as you can see, I've used vine charcoal to fill in all my shadows and create the softer edges on the cheekbones and on the chin. Here I'm working on some wrinkles on top of the eye. I'm sorry if the video is shaky, but this is my first trial at this, and I'm not that good yet with the GoPro I'm using. You see, the nose is really big, and I really push darkest shadows underneath the nose to give it more three-dimensionality, give it more a three-dimensional look. And for the round part on top, I create very soft edges, and then I work with a kneaded eraser to take off a little bit of light point, so highlights on top of the nose. So basically what I'm doing here is really working on smaller planes of the head, and there's lots of smaller planes here on this face because obviously it's an older guy. And the last part is also working on your darkest dark in places like right now the little angles of the mouth and the main wrinkles of the muscle, and obviously also the jaw and the cheekbone. Right here I'm adding some halftones, and right now I'm working on the wrinkles near the eye. So I basically create hard edge with the charcoal pencil and then take off with the kneaded eraser on top.